HooplaKidz How To presents Cheeky Art. HooplaKidz How To presents Cheeky Art. Hey kids, today we're gonna draw a yummy watermelon popsicle. First we're going to draw a triangle. That's right. Then we're going to add the base and the popsicle stick. Oh look, it already looks so great! Now let's start adding some colors. We'll color some red, and then some green. Isn't this fun? Now let's add some yellow for the popsicle stick. And lastly, some purple. And there it is, kids! Watermelon popsicle. Enjoy! HooplaKidz How To presents Cheeky Art. Hi girls and boys, how is everyone doing? Hope you're doing good. So tell me, what completes a princess? That's right, a crown. And we're gonna draw a crown today. Crowns look so magical. Draw these curves and try to make it symmetrical on both sides. Draw a line, and here we go. The outer sketch is almost done. Now let's fill in the beads. And a heart to go with it. And the shiny jewels. Perfect! Almost done. Now, let's make the outline thicker. Ta-da! It's done! First, let's paint it yellow. And then orange. And some more orange. And my favorite, pink. red for the heart, and some on the sides. Try to color neatly. And fill the rest with green. Wow! It's already looking so magical and colorful. Some yellow again. And some orange too. And lastly, blue to complete it. Done! Your crown is ready, Your Majesty. HooplaKidz How To presents Cheeky Art! Hey friends, today we're gonna draw a magic wand. First, we're going to make a big star. It's easy to make with upside down V's. There you go. Then we're gonna draw the stick. That's good. Keep going. Now I think I need to add some more stars, don't you? Yes! Let's outline this neatly. It's time to color. I want to use yellow for the star. What about you? For the handle, I'm going to use two colors, blue and orange. You can use whatever colors you want. I can't wait to use this magical wand. I think we can add different colors for the stars here. It looks great! And here we have it, magical wand. Hope you had fun!